Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. 2 weeks ago, Spanish Town was quiet with businesses shuttered and residents staying indoors as thugs created unrest and stoked fears of escalating violence. But last week, a new business venture signaled a fresh wave of optimism, demonstrating that investors still see potential in the historic town.
Just over a week ago, Spanish Town was deserted amid fears of a flare-up of violence. On Sunday, a new business opened in the old capital, representing a glimmer of hope that it's still viewed as an area of choice for investors. It's where the company opened 4 new restaurants in Spanish Town and Angels in St. Catherine. And according to CEO of Restaurant Associates Limited, Lisa Lake, it won't be the last.
Outside of just these 4 restaurants today, over the next year or 2, we plan to open another 6 restaurants in this community overall. That's not even including plans that we have for Old Harbor. We're just talking specifically about Spanish Town.
The price tag for the investment.
On average, each new restaurant is about 100 to 150 million. So that's 1 here, 1 there, 2 more in the bus park. So we can do the math.
More than 100 new jobs have also been created. Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott, while welcoming the new business, says other investment opportunities are being explored.
Part of my plan and dream is to resuscitate the old Shedwing Park, that cricket ground, where we could have sporting activities that would even boost the Spanish Town economy somewhat.
The 4 restaurants bring to 104 restaurants across the Caribbean. Now, Restaurants Associates Limited is also looking to expand its operations in Trinidad and Barbados. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $158.77. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.08. $198.27 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $166.14. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 2,999 points today, and the junior market index declined by 37 points. The winners were led by Medical Disposables and Supplies, Iron Rock Insurance, Consolidated Bakeries, Jamaican Teas, and Express Catering. Losers were led by Kingston Wharves, KLE Group, Regency Petroleum, Knutsford Express, and Access Financial Services. 14 stocks remained unchanged at the end of trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.